Look at this video. Okay, where's my water too?
Hey, that's crocodile.
Oh man, please do it, please. Okay. We're level 5.
Yeah, finally. Do we need to get all the ducks?
No, that thing was sucked.
Oh, it's just like the game of Mickey Mouse.
Ready?
So ready. Play.
Turns, right?
Hey, we're not Teddy.
We're doing turns, right?
Yep.
Did the word did the thing?
No, he's trying to take a shower, but he's like he can't wait.
Are you gonna go to land though?
Fife, you know how to do it. I don't.
I know how to do it. I'm good too.
Me too.
Jinx!
No, that was really Jinx. Oh my god. We're on level 6.
No, 5.
Some more 4. No. What is that?
Oh no, this is so Fifa's turn. No, it's Tanae's turn. You don't want to do it?
Another turn.
I want to do it.
Don't get the.
Fifa, you did the wrong thing. Why are you gonna make them cry?
No, I'm actually.
You have to get everything in there.
Yeah, you can do that.
Miss Sunny. Oh, Fifa, what about we do Red Ball.
Yeah, let's do them level 6 and then we play Red Ball.
Oh yeah, that is cool.
I'm your playmate.
Can I play Red Ball?
Oh, it's
Oh, we have to get 6 ducks.
Oh yeah. Okay. Laura?
Instead of
Yeah,
I'll be right back.
Oh, wait, but why was it crossed like that? I don't know. Eh? You're almost. Like, leave that piece out. Another apple?
What?
Another apple?
Yeah. Why can't we? Oh, if you remember when the Rattata was playing in your phone? Remember? I mean, in your tablet. I'm gonna eat this.
Now we did.
Record the apple. Oh, let's record the apple. Oh, that Black Panties and Black Pampers. That's Black Pampers.
Well, the trees are gonna go really good.
Okay, let's just download the game and play it, yeah? So, guys.
There's no Rebel one.
No, we download the
There's
game.
Red Ball. I mean, it doesn't call it Red Ball 1, but it's called Red Ball.
We download the game here.
Oh.
Zero. Oh, that one! Rolling Sky.
No, Red Ball 3.
We have Rolling Sky.
Actually, Red Ball 2.
Look, that's really cool. No,
Just kidding.
Oh, Cribble. Blue sky.
Angry Birds too.
Nah.
Mhm. Mhm.
You guys get boring games like that one.
Not boring.
Yes, it is.
Mm-mm.
Yes, it is. You're gonna see.
Mm-mm.
Yes, it is.
Mm-mm.
Mhm.
Mm-mm.
Mhm.
Mm-mm.
Mhm.
Oh, you know what game is boring?
Which one?
Right? So
Oh,
we
yeah.
don't need it anymore.
Yeah, dummy.
Oh, you're so fat. You eat too much apples. You look like Santa Claus with stuffed cookies you
I'm not a fatty.
have. Oh, you're a big fatty. Okay, this is gonna take 20 years.
Yeah.
He's like
So
4.
guys, we'll continue the game. The football.
Can we do turns?
No, can you show him out what turn?
Beep it.
We're in the factory. I
Uh,
know this whole thing by memory. I could pass through the whole thing.
Get him. You're not going to get him.
Okay, that was. You can just go.
Isa, can you use this first?
Let's go like that. Switch your little legs.
Let's cook you a little more attitude.
You have enough health left. Yeah. Oh, okay.
No.
Oh, you did it.
It's not the breaking. Oh, I hate this noise. You know why? Because it goes too fast. Too fast.
You get that?
So close, right?
You guys get so
Oh, I'm good at that one. I'm good
Get a robot.
at that.
Oh my gosh.
I jump.
Oh,
Just die.
I'm not gonna die. We'll never say never. Never say never.
Who's gonna die?
Maybe.
Like watching them. You come there, okay?
Wait,
See, I told you.
But you said it like, I don't know, when.
You're just,
It's like, hiya.
like a ninja.
Oh, there, Donald, finally. Who's ready to play some Angry Birds?
Angry Bird 2.
Angry Birds. Robio. This is a new Angry. I'm a fatty. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot.
No, happy Jojo, happy Jojo, happy Jojo.
I don't think you're happy.
No, I don't think they're happy.
No. Happy Jojo. Happy Jojo. I don't think.
Okay, start pressing that
I
trigger.
don't think you're
Happy.
happy. Who is that guy?
The blue guy?
Oh, I know him. That goes caca caca.
Why did you say caca?
Because he did say that. He said, caca, caca.
It's all short up. Wait, what about?
Yeah, it's church again.
Where's your mom?
We'll just tap it.
Where's your mom? She's in the tablet?
Oh, this game is cool.
Wait. Fighting stuff?
You said I'm serious, shut
Of
up.
course, she's working, man.
Did you like?
They're building.
Those are pigs.
Stupid pigs, they look so fat. Oh, you could aim?
Remember the TNT?
Let go. Victory.
They stole my eggs. My huevos.
Remember?
I got my huevos back. Hello. Don't do that. No, my huevos. You chupar my huevos. You chupar my huevos. Does it always take this long? Ho ho ho.
He had to try being level 5 to go where he is.
No, Fifi's in level 2.
Yeah. I had to go to level 5 so he could go where he is.
I'm building.
There.
Where you
Oh,
go?
I know it's in. I know it's gonna hit. Hit. Yeah.
Where's your huevos?
Fifi, in that big scientist boy guy that has the eggs, you're gonna have the big fat guy that's red.
No, it's not.
Yep.
How do you know?
I think so.
I don't.
You can have the skin.
Okay guys, this game is actually very cool.
You seriously, you're playing.
I know.
Oh, you're playing.
Go down there.